Our company was founded in 1992. We are one of the biggest visual company in Turkey, but we are trying to be more international right now. What we are trying to do is more or less all manufacturers are same. They have 1.2, 1.6, etc., etc. But we are trying to offer turnkey solutions. We are trying to paint the picture together with our customers. When they share their project, we are trying to develop it together with help of our engineers. This is where we are differentiating ourselves from other manufacturers. Most of the manufacturers are in Far East, and when you order something, it takes 4 or 5 weeks by sea vessel shipment. But from Istanbul to anywhere in Europe, it takes only 1 week by truck shipment. So it is very easy and cost-saving way of ordering from Istanbul. And we also have a branch in Romania for technical assistance. So let's say you have a problem, we can send technicians from Romania to Europe. So we don't have any visa problem, and it is very easy. We can be with you in a couple of hours. Covering both indoor and outdoor products, we are covering the full range. Besides that, we also have some engineering solutions, cutting-edge solutions, like we have a cube over here, we have some flexible solutions, mirror solutions for retail. So yeah, according to your requirements, we are flexible. We can meet your dreams. We are mostly targeting the mid segment, but we realize that we are almost working with high-end corporates, meeting rooms, outdoor advertisements. So we are almost meeting with everyone except rental guys. Before Christmas, we made some installations to Barcelona and Italy, and the feedback was really great. And we are really proud. In the heart of the city, your LED is over there and people are having information from that LED screen. It is very a source of pride. Yeah.